Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Norma Acosta with momisdesigns, and in this channel you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs, how to price them, how to sell them, and where to get them at wholesale. Let me get ready and let's get to work. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add words or sentences or numbers into an image like this. And I'm going to show you how to add. You can make labels, so you can make all sorts of things with an image. We're going to add a name around here, and for this here we're going to use a circle. Okay, I'm going to be making a label for this one. And this one, I'm just going to show you how to do it, okay? So let's go ahead and start with this one. I just did this the other day, and it was for a happy birthday. So we're going to go ahead and add text, and then it's for a 2-year-old. So we have the 2. Let's bring it over here. And then they wanted the N and the D for second. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making these, putting them together, just like that, to say second. And then we're going to go ahead and grab them and put them together again. Then we're going to go ahead and change the color. We want like a nice color that stands out. Then we're going to go ahead and bring it and put it right in there. Okay, so happy second, right there, birthday. So now that we have this already done, this is very nice and simple. You're just going to go ahead and grab it together. And if you're going to go down here where it says flatten, you're going to go ahead and go flatten. And if you look on the corner of your Cricut, you can see that it all became one. Okay, so when you go here, I'm just going to show you, we're not going to print it, but I'm just going to show you, like if we go to make it. And here's your image. At this point, you can make it, forget this one right here. At this point, you can print it in a heat transfer paper. You can print it in for a t-shirt, which is what I did with this image, or you can make it into a label so that you can put it on the party favors. You can do a lot of things with it. So that's this one right here. So let me go ahead and hide this one here, that one. And then this one here, what I'm going to do, I want this one to be on top of the circle. See here. And there it is. My circle needs to be 2.25 because I'm going to do a keychain. So we're going to go ahead and add the name. The name is Olivia. So we're going to do it separate, is Olivia. I have one name right there. And then we're going to do Grace. So we have both of the names right there. We're going to bring it here. I'm going to change the color just for now so that we have something different color so that we don't get lost. And then we can make it the color we want. Okay, so there's Olivia. I'm going to make it maybe smaller. We want it to go like around. I'm going to curve it, and I'm going to just go curve, just like that. And then I'm going to bring the Grace. I'm going to make it smaller. And then we can resize it. So I'm going to curve it as well. And I'm going to go the other way around, maybe just like that. Okay, and they're right there. Okay, now you can make these any color you want. If you want to leave it on pink, all we want to do is we're going to grab the circle and we're going to make the circle white. Okay, so at this point we can make, I think I want to change it to a different kind of pink. I think I like that one, purple, because I made a blanket that was purple and pink, but I think I like that. So this is exactly 2¼ inches. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and Just fix it a little more. Everything needs to be inside the circle right there. So now what I'm going to do is going to grab it all, center it horizontally right there, and it's already been centered. So now I'm going to grab it again, and I'm going to go to flatten. And there it is. If you look here, let me bring it back so you see. Before we put it together and flatten it, you can see that here's the grace, and here's the Olivia, and here's the image, and here's the circle. So everything is separated. Once you go grab it, you go ahead and go flatten, and there it is. So now all you basically do is we're going to go ahead and print it. So we're going to go make. Once you get here, you're going to go when it mirror. It's just like that. You're going to go continue, and you're going to go send to printer. I'm going to be using resin for this one. So you need to make sure that when you use resin, you need to use a inkjet printer. So my HP MB 5530 is an inkjet. We don't want to have it bleed because then the letters are going to be super thick. So we take off the bleed, and then we're going to go next. We're going to go to print. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and change the setting to paper. And here's my image right there. And I'm going to align it here. And then the machine is going to read the lines to do the cutting. So I'll just put it in. I already changed to paper. I bring it in, and we press the and there it goes. It's going to start cutting. So just one big circle, and it's already done. You added a name to an image, and all you do is separate it, and it's ready for your keychain. So I hope you like this. This was a very short video. I wanted to show you this. For now, that's all for me. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.